Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try brown polo oversized t-shirt with tan pants and tan loafers. Next you can try off-white shirt with green pants and white sneakers. Next you can try blue polo t-shirt type shirt with tan pants and brown loafers. Next you can try sky blue shirt with white pants and white sleepers. Next you can try blue stripe oversized t-shirt with white pants and white flip-flops. Next you can try black and white printed polo t-shirt with white pants and black sneakers. Next you can try white and red printed half sleeve shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try grey t-shirt with greenish grey cargo pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with navy blue pants and cream loafers. Next you can try green half sleeve shirt with tan pants and brown sleepers. Watch this video to know 35 black pants outfit ideas.